Let's take a look at what Tesla did today. We are down $9.25. That's 3.70% down. Closed at 240.83. Post-market, we seem to be up a little bit. So let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. Let me just switch on the 1 hour chart right away. So we had a little bit of a move up above 244.18. When was that? On Friday. On Friday, this brought us outside of the downward channel. Small time, we are on the 1 hour chart now. So, any moves, any buy signals we see on the 1 hour chart can last for hours. That's it, not more. We're outside of the downward channel, but this does not mean that we are going to go up. Outside of a downward channel is nice. It means that we are no longer going down, but we could be going sideways. So the next thing we need to look for is a horizontal resistance that we could get stuck under. And that resistance is at 249.87 right here. Right here, horizontal resistance. We have some candles at the bottom, candles at the top. And look at this. Look at this. We were outside of our downward channel. Then we started to go sideways. And look at this perfection right here. We closed right smack on it. But today, we came down. We even broke 244.18. So my little experiment last week to get some calls right here in anticipation of the robotaxi event on Thursday has failed. So when I had the break here outside, I just sold. Now we should stabilize at 238. We had a nice stochastic on Friday. We had a nice stochastic. Everything was going super great. So right now, stochastic is at 26. Everything turned around today on the 1 hour chart. And if we look at the daily chart, we even have lost stochastic over 60. So we are at 53. So things are starting to cave in a little bit. We are still above 238.09. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is up super high. So we are up 18%, 3.45. We are at 22.65. Uncertainty in the stock market, uncertainty. U.S. Conference Board Employment Trends Index down to 108.48 in September from 109.54, points to slowing job market pre-Fed rate cut. So the job market is cooling down. So people are afraid that we are going to hit a recession. Well, this is the indication that we are getting to. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones cannot break 42,343. It's holding up pretty well. We have a very tight congestion zone, very tight. Boom, right here, 41,826. Very, very tight. And when we have a tight channel, whether it's a upward channel, downward channel, or horizontal channel, it won't last a long time. In terms of the indicators, things are still pretty good. We still have stochastic. MACD has crossed over bearish, the first sign of weakness that we are seeing here. But we still have support at 41,368 right here. This could be a temporary thing. SPX have a hard time with this resistance right here, this channel resistance. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. This is the bullish channel resistance. It was used as support before, but now it's used as resistance. We cannot break that one. And we just broke above this one right here too. So not the best day to say the least. NASDAQ, a little bit of a cave into, nothing too bad. If we start breaking 19,626 right here, then things are going to look a little bit worse. It won't be the end of the world because we are still into a bullish channel right here, but we are seeing a little bit of weakening. Tesla is not having the best day, but it's not going too far either. We see that people are waiting for this Thursday, the event that was supposed to happen in August. But it was postponed because Elon wanted to add something new to this robotaxi prototype, mainly that we might be able to take a look at. So this is going to be very interesting, and I reserve the right to buy those calls back. So thank you much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you À la prochaine.